Today's video, I will share with you top 5 best cordless vacuum cleaners available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user review before creating the cordless vacuum cleaners list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the cordless vacuum cleaners mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, INSE S10 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The INSE S10 offers a foldable design and impressive 30 kPa suction power, with a runtime of up to 50 minutes. It is equipped with a removable battery, making it easy to charge and swap out for continuous cleaning. Ideal for households with a range of surfaces, from hard floors to carpets, its lightweight build and ergonomic handle make it comfortable to use for extended cleaning sessions. Number 4, Laresar V7 500W 50 kPa Suction Power Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Laresar V7 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner boasts a 500W motor with 50 kPa suction power, offering top-tier cleaning performance for various surfaces. It features a removable battery and a large dust cup for extended cleaning sessions without interruption. This smart home appliance is designed for maximum efficiency, making it an excellent choice for households with pets or frequent messes. Number 3, Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner for Makita 18V Battery. This portable cordless vacuum cleaner is designed to be compatible with Makita 18V batteries, making it an ideal solution for home, car, and pet hair cleaning. Its lightweight, handheld design allows users to clean floors, carpets, and tight spaces easily. The strong suction power is perfect for removing dust, dirt, and pet hair, making it a versatile tool for daily cleaning tasks. Number 2, Tineco Floor 1S6 Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. This all-in-one cordless vacuum cleaner and floor washer is designed for cleaning hard floors with ease. It features wet and dry functionality, combining vacuuming and mopping for a thorough clean. The Tineco Floor 1S6 is equipped with LED lighting and dual-sided edge cleaning, making it ideal for getting into tight corners and cleaning along baseboards. Its smart design ensures powerful suction and effective water usage, leaving floors spotless in less time. Number 1, 1000W Cordless Handheld Electric Vacuum Cleaner. This powerful, cordless handheld vacuum cleaner is equipped with a 1000W motor and is rechargeable, offering excellent performance for indoor household cleaning. Designed for use with Makita 18V batteries, it provides convenience and mobility without the limitations of cords. Suitable for cleaning hard-to-reach areas, it excels at vacuuming floors, furniture, and even car interiors. Its lightweight design makes it easy to handle, while the strong suction power ensures efficient dirt and debris removal.